welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about a great product from a company called EZCast. Now, EZCast has been around for a long time, and they excel at making devices that allow you to mirror or transmit other device screens to your TV or monitor, and this is no exception. This is the Twin X package. Twin X because it has two devices, both a transmitter and a receiver, that allows you to easily and quickly mirror or transmit the signal from any Type-C device without connecting anything to Wi-Fi. It's so simple and so awesome. But they also include this awesome EZCast receiver, which plugs into the USB power port on your TV and then plugs into the HDMI, and allows you not only to use this, but also to use all the other EZCast features, so that basically with this package, you can transmit anything, any device, to a TV or to a monitor, and you can do it super easy if you have a Type-C device. So let's talk a little bit more about that. So this package includes this transmitter, and this is a Type-C transmitter, a quick transmitter. You basically plug this into the Type-C port on your phone or on a laptop computer or MacBook, anything like that that has a Type-C display port. You plug it in there, and then you just press this button. That's all you do. You press that button, and boom, you will see your device's screen on your TV, whatever you have this plugged into. It just immediately connects and displays and works flawlessly, and that's all there is to it. You don't have to set up anything else. You don't have to enter any Wi-Fi passwords or anything like that. So that is what sort of sets this package apart, is the fact that it includes this really fast Type-C transmitter. However, let's say you have a device that doesn't have a Type-C. Maybe you want to use it for that, but also you want to use it with your iPhone, or you want to use it with your Samsung Galaxy tablet or something like that. That's fine, because this is a full-featured EZCast receiver, and it's so small and has a nice length cord. So you plug this into a USB port on your TV. That's how it powers, and then this plugs into an HDMI port for the display, and you'll get full HD. And once you've done that, you can go in and set this up and connect this to your Wi-Fi. Once you've done that, it works to mirror your iPhone. You can mirror an iPhone. You can mirror practically anything you want to, just under screen mirroring without having to use this. Now, what makes this great is if you're using it with a Type-C device, it's just super fast and super easy. But you know, they don't want to limit you to only being able to use it with Type-C devices. This is just a bonus. But with other non-Type-C devices, you can still mirror using this. So it works great. Really awesome package. So let's jump over to some footage, some demo footage, so you can see me using this with the transmitter as well as without, and see how simple and easy it is to set it up and how great it works.
So you can see I have the dongle hooked up to my phone, and if I press the button, boom, immediately mirroring my phone. I press the button again, stops mirroring my phone. That simple, that easy.
So you can see now that I've connected the device, the EZCast, to my Wi-Fi on the Samsung phone, it actually shows up as a screen mirroring option. So if I choose that EZCast, it's going to connect to it and mirror my screen to it automatically. So now you see, I dropped it back and you can see my screen is being mirrored exactly. I turn to landscape, mirror landscape, so now I can go on here and I can say, hey, I want to show you guys some of my pictures. so I can show some like scan through pictures, whatever I want to do. So on an iPhone, once you've connected the EasyCast receiver to your Wi-Fi, you don't even have to have the app installed. So I don't have the app installed on my iPhone. I just used, obviously, my Samsung Galaxy tablet, as you saw, to connect the EasyCast app to my Wi-Fi. Now that's done, the EasyCast becomes an option. If I hit screen mirroring, you'll see one of the options is EasyCast. So I just select the EasyCast that's connected, and the phone will connect to that EasyCast, and it'll start mirroring. There you go. So now my phone is mirroring. So now that we are mirroring, you can see the iPhone is completely mirrored up there. If I go to YouTube and pick a video, oh goodness, it's an old video from when I was nice and young. And you can see it fully mirrors the phone. Basically your phone mirroring straight over to the EasyCast. So you can see it works to fully mirror your iPhone or iPad or whatever, just using the built-in screen mirroring, and you don't even have to have the EasyCast app involved. So those devices that don't have the Type-C, for just plugging it in and pressing the button on the receiver, you can still cast, from the transmitter, you can still cast to the receiver using the standard EasyCast method, which will work with just about anything. So you can see this package is awesome. It has it all. It's easy, it's simple, it takes up like no space, and works great. I love it. I love the fact that I can just plug this into my phone, press that button, and boom, my phone is mirrored to the TV. No work at all. Or I can plug this into a MacBook Pro, and I can use my TV or whatever I want to plug the receiver into as an additional display. It's really, really great. Works really simply. And then the fact that if I'm using a device that doesn't have Type-C, if I want to mirror an iPhone or an iPad or a Samsung Galaxy tablet, an older one that's not Type-C, I can still do it. Because I can connect this to my Wi-Fi, and then I can mirror it through the regular screen mirroring. So any device you have that you want to mirror, you can do it with this, and you can do it really simply and fast if it's a Type-C device with this. And so that's what makes this package stand out, and that's what makes it really, really awesome. Again, this is the EasyCast Twin X package, because you're getting a twin set of a transmitter, and a receiver. And it is by EasyCast, and really, really great product, works great. I love it, and definitely if you're looking for an easy way to connect with a Type-C device without having to connect to Wi-Fi, then it's great. If you're looking for just a cover-all, so being able to do that, but also being able to mirror any other device through Wi-Fi, then this package lets you do all of that. So really excellent product by EasyCast, and definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, anything I didn't cover, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my videos, or favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. Anyway, that's going to be it. Until next time, so be safe and be happy.